I'm back at it again with another video on Bitget copy trading. If you haven't done so, make sure you go like, share, subscribe, and ring that notification bell so that you can stay updated with the latest and the fanciest in cryptocurrency trading. And if you haven't done so, make sure you go like, share, subscribe. I think I said that twice already. Today's video, we're going to learn how to copy trade on Bitget. So here we are. Go to bitget.com, which the links are available on the description below. And you're going to come on to copy trading and press futures copy trading. And this is where we are. I did a video on spot trading just yesterday, but today we're going to be talking about futures trading like we normally do. And they have introduced this section where they sort of cull out the highest and the top traders, and they're simply arranged by the highest ROI, the highest PNL, the followers against the highest PNL, and so on. Now, what we like to do is obviously go to all traders, and we like to sort by assets under management because that's just how much money is being entrusted onto these people. And we now know by now that Bitget's first page on its filter is absolutely rubbish because it's wrong. So we got to get to the second page to actually see the highest and the most followed account, and that's this fella here. I've seen this fella for a long time now, okay, and the assets under management is a whopping 2.8 million. Looks like he set up a second account, yet another account with another $878,000 being followed with that account, with its own personal P&L sitting at 20,000 and 12,000, which is quite crazy. Looking through his account, we're obviously checking out its metrics like its profits in the last 1 month. And obviously he's had some pretty big jumps, which is pretty crazy. He has been losing for a while, and then it went up, which is crazy. But his gains are increasing every day. And in the last 1 month, there is a good ratio of wins and losses. And we're looking at the last 1 month in the types of coins being traded. So he's obviously trading a whole lot because there's a whole bunch of it that is just other. Trading volume is sitting reasonably consistent. Not the most frequent trader on this platform, I must admit. And so we're looking at their order chart, checking out their history. Okay, he's closing out some pretty big positions. I think he shorted the market recently. Of course he did. And the reason for that is because we did have a pretty big fat drop in the market recently. Is he seriously trading Lunar Classic as well? That's got to be some big balls on this man. But yeah, he's been around for a while, and there's no more slots available, so you're gonna have to press slot reminder. Okay, so it looks like, Hagen Sensei has been around as well. You see a lot of this dip in the charts because recently there was a dip, and then these are the guys who made the wrong trades. The ones that went up are the ones that made the right trade. So Origin, Vudok, Tunlong, these two guys, and obviously Hagen Sensei were the ones that actually made the trade in the correct direction in this recent market dip. And so these are the guys that we're sort of checking out at the moment. I'm not saying any of these guys are to be followed, or you guys should go and scrape after every dollar to go and trace these gains 793% every day. That's not what I'm saying you guys should do, but maybe you guys can have a look at some of their metrics to identify what makes them such good traders. Okay, so what is happening with the numbers here? 292. Sometimes these interfaces aren't particularly that helpful, but there is enough information to help you make a strong decision, a good enough decision, I guess, to identify whether these traders are good enough traders for you to follow. Looks like this guy has copped some losses recently, but I mean, there's a good balance. I mean, this guy isn't. I mean, I've had some mixed results with this guy, but see how you go. But what comes to show is that all of these guys actually have been around in this platform for a while. Obviously, they're making money. They're sticking around because they are solvent. So what you need to do is you need to be able to follow these people and expose yourself to the same level of risk as they are. So let's say we're following this guy here, and he's got about $3,000 account. Let's say you also, and you have $1,000 account, let's say, which a lot of you guys seem to have, and you want to trace their risk profile. Obviously, they're not trading, like if they're making 1,800% every day, they're not multiplying their account by 18 times every day. Obviously they're making small investments in there. So you want to trace that as closely as possible. So when you press copy now, here's a tutorial. You obviously want to, you can copy every trading pair that you want. Why not? You've made it this far. You trust the guy, so obviously you just go with it. And then you can put different margin modes there as well. You can go, you can put in fixed margin, or you can put in the multiplier margin. So Fixed margin, that means every time they do a trade, that you're going to follow them with the same amount of their leverage and by an amount. So if you put in $10 and their leverage is 5, you're putting a $50 trade. But with this one here, you know, you can just press the multiplier because you have a $1,000 account, and with this guy holding only having a $3,000 account, you're going to put 0.03, which not 0.03, 0.33, which is a third of their investment size. So when they go down to, if they went down to 0, you would also go down to 0. Okay, if they went down to like 2,000 in their account, like going backwards, then you're gonna go down to $600. So that's how you can trace their risk profile. Now, some of you guys are crazy and you guys put in a higher ratio than that. I mean, that's totally up to you. You can put in some risk management in here, of course, as well. You can set your stop loss, you know, at a level that you feel comfortable with, and a take profit also where you're comfortable with as well. Although the idea is to find good traders that have their own risk management, and you can just trace their risk profile as close as possible using the margin mode. Okay, guys, just want to do another plug as well, that we do have a Telegram group. If you go fill out the form in the description below after signing up using the link available in the description, so that you sign up to Bitget using my affiliate link, that is a benefit to you as much as it is to me, because obviously that comes with trading fee benefits, as well as many bonuses that you see all around the screen. So why the heck wouldn't you sign up with that one? And we'll be cross-referencing your user ID number against our system so that we can let you into our community, where we discuss who are the better traders to follow, what kind of strategies have been working, what kind of strategies have not been working. So please come and check that out. If you haven't done so, make sure you like, share, subscribe, and ring that notification bell. Thanks for tuning in today, guys. Much love to you all, and I will see you in the next update on Bitget copy trading. If you would like to leave a comment below on some of the traders you'd like me to review, happy to do that. Much love to you all. Thank you so much for tuning in. Peace out.